important theory question which has been asked regularly in the exams is the comparison of the two loops called as while and do while. What exactly are the differences between while and do while loop? Now, you can quote these differences with examples or with illustrations also. I'll spell out some statements slowly, listen to them carefully, note it down on a piece of paper so that you'll be able to reproduce it for any number of times as you wish. So first comparison is based on the place of the condition, where the condition is tested. Now, in a while loop, the condition, as if you're able to recollect the exact syntax which is stated for while as well as do while, it says the condition is tested at the beginning of the loop. So the condition is tested at the beginning of the loop, and in a do while loop, so in a do while loop, the condition is tested at the end of the loop. So where the condition is tested, that is the first difference. Now, the second difference is, since the condition is tested at the beginning and we decide whether to continue or to stop at the entry point itself, we call this while as a entry controlled loop. Whereas in a do while loop, the condition is tested at the end of the loop. If you remember, the condition is tested at the end of the loop, hence we call this as a exit controlled loop, as the control of the loop, whether to restart it or whether to stop, is not made at the beginning but at the end, hence we call this as a exit controlled loop. Now probably the differences which I have quoted are very minor in nature, but this is the one which is major difference. Now always remember that in exams, not to forget this particular third difference. Most of the examiners will say that this is the actual and the core difference between while and do while loop. Now what is this difference? When the condition is false for the first time, suppose if I take an example as I equals to 11, and if I write a condition as while I less than or equals to 5, assume that I have some instructions in this. Will the loop be executed even once? As for the condition, I is 11, 11 less than or equal to 5, false. False instance, it will quit. So here the value of I will not allow you to execute the loop even once when the condition is false at the first instance. Let me try the same with the do while loop. Let me assume I equal to 11, place the keyword do, and then I'll say while I less than equals to 5. Now I believe that I is 11 and the condition 11 less than equal to 5 will definitely be false. We are very much assured that the value of I is actually false in this case. But still, the loop executes the statements at least once. Which means that when the loop is false for the first time, your while will not have execution. No execution if the condition is false at the first instance. But whereas here, the loop gets executed at least once. The loop gets executed at least once when this condition is false, even though at the first execution itself. That is the actual and the core difference between a while and a do while. Remember, the three differences which I quoted are where the place of the condition is tested. The condition is tested at the beginning of the loop, whereas in a do while loop, the condition is tested at the end of the loop. In a while loop, it is called as an entry control loop, whereas in a do while loop, it is called as an exit control loop. Since the control of the loop is decided at the beginning, it is called as entry. In a do while, the control is decided at the end, so hence it is called as the exit control loop. What if the condition is false at the first execution? While loop will not perform any execution, whereas do while will at least perform one operation. Now these are the three major differences. Apart from this, we have some more differences. Now let's identify these differences further. The fourth difference. Now, what if I have a while loop followed by a condition? Say, now here, the semicolon within a do while at the end of the keyword while with a condition is as per the syntax. As per the rules of syntax, you have to place a semicolon at the end of the keyword while so that it will go back to the keyword do. Putting a semicolon at the end of while in a while loop, is it an error? No, it's not an error. But there will be different execution. Many people might say that this is an error. Most of the time when you are practicing these programs for the first time, traditionally it becomes a habit to put a semicolon at the end of every instruction. We might go for placing a semicolon at the end of while loop. But do remember, if I try such code, it will enter into infinite looping. How? We say without a semicolon, there is a traditional vertical execution of the code. So it means that here the condition is tested. It says true, go inside and then come back and recheck the condition. This is a traditional vertical execution. But if I place a semicolon, then in that case, the loop is said to begin and end at this place. So this is my begin and the same point is my end point. What it does is, it will now go in a horizontal execution. So suppose if I believe that I is 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, true. If this is true, it says again go back and de-execute the same condition. So we say that the loop gets stuck up in this condition itself. The loop goes into a horizontal mode of execution where the condition makes the loop to get stuck up at the same point which is stated as begin as well as end. If it is no semicolon, then it will go in this fashion. If it is semicolon, then it will make the loop to execute horizontally. This is one of the minute differences which make a while and do while differentiable. A semicolon at the end of the condition with while in while makes the loop execute horizontally, whereas a semicolon at the end of do while within a keyword while will make the loop to execute it vertically, and it is as per the syntax rule itself. Right? These are some of the major differences which exist with do while. Suppose if you want to add up some additional conditions, what you can do is you can place the syntax of both. You can remember the flowchart which I draw for both while and do while. You can add up some more additional differences like example, and finally the last difference is the working of this particular while and do while. These are the additional contents which you can place as a comparison of while and do while. Right? Let me summarize this. First difference is about the place of the condition. In while it is at the beginning, in a do while it is at the end. While is called as the entry control loop, do while is called as exit control loop. If condition is false at the first instance, while will not work even once, do while will work at least once. A semicolon at the end of the condition with while makes the loop execute horizontally, and semicolon at the end of the condition with while is as per the syntax rules. Additional points which you can add up for differentiating while and do while is to place the syntax of both, place the flowchart of both, place the example, and a brief working of both these examples. These are some of the differences which you are supposed to remember for while and do while. Again repeat, at the end of every video, make sure that you pause it, rewrite the entire contents which appear on the screen on a piece of paper so that you can reproduce at the later stage rather than again viewing the entire video. Thank you.